Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel's Format Painter. First, locate the Format Painter icon on the Home tab, which looks like a paintbrush. Select the cell or range with the formatting you wish to copy. Then, click the Format Painter icon once to activate it. This tool is incredibly useful for maintaining a consistent look across your data, making your work more professional and easier to read. To apply formatting to a single cell, simply select your source cell and click the Format Painter icon once. Your cursor will change to a paintbrush. Now, click on the single target cell where you want to apply that exact formatting. The Format Painter will then automatically turn off, ready for your next task. This method is perfect for quick, one-off formatting adjustments. For applying the same formatting to several different areas, double-click the Format Painter icon. This keeps the tool active. You can then click on individual cells or drag your mouse across entire ranges to apply the formatting repeatedly. When you're finished, just press the Escape key on your keyboard to turn off the Format Painter. This is a huge time saver for large projects. Beyond basic cell formatting, you can also use Format Painter to copy column widths or row heights. Just select the entire column or row, click Format Painter, and then click the target column or row. For more advanced control, explore Paste Special Options. Remember to check the description below for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for anyone looking to improve their financial understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.